As the winning of Nigeria, Tamalisa Matanan, welcome back. Today we are going to see Hill Cipher, okay, which found under substitutional technique. As you know, we already see Skyzer Cipher, monoalphabetic cipher, which in Playfair Cipher, Itana. Lalle jiraachuu kana arras Hill Cipher ilaalu deemna jechuudha. How to encrypt. Okay. When we say Hill Cipher, this is terminology. It needs some terminology from algebra concept to be known as matrix arithmetic module. We have to know this as well as square matrix, as well as how to find determinant matrix and the multiplicative inverse also. Okay, for decryption. Okay, this last one is for description. Okay, determinant እና multiplicative inverse የግድ for decrypt ስናደርግ ነው የምንሰራው ማለት ነው። Okay, let us see. Here cipher algorithm can be expressed as what? Cipher text is equals to encryption of what? Using key plain text ማለት ነው. Okay, which means p times k mod 26. When we are going to decrypt also plain text is d k comma c, which means c times k inverse. When we are going to find our inverse, we have to first of all calculate for ይሄን ስናወጣ ማለት ነው ስቴፖች አሉ። So we will see this together in next video. Okay, so let me remind you something. There is two ways to calculate for cipher algorithm. Row vector and column vector is there. Mostly column vector is used. Okay, when we say row vector, when we are multiplying row with column. Okay, which means pk, we are using pk, which means plain text times key. When we are using, when we say column vector, we are using key times plain text. Okay, which means as you see here, እዚህ ጋር እንደሚታየው ማለት ነው። ይሄ ደግሞ ምንድነው? row vector ነው። ኦኬ፣ ይሄ በሮው ነው ያለው። plain texቱን ታያላችሁ p1 p2 p3, but here you will see plain text is p1 p2 p3. When we get the cipher text different using these two methods. Okay, but ዋናው ምንድነው? ዲክሪፕት ይደረጋል። ዲክሪፕት ጎሩድ እንዲወጣ ኢንክሪፕት ጎሩድ እንዲወጣ ማለት cipher text adda addaati fi plain text adda addaa fiduu mala jechuudha. Fakkeenyaaf gisee encrypt goonu cipher text nuti argannu adda jechuu karaa lameeninuu. Garuu decrypt gisee goonu lachuu plain text sirrii teessumatti waliin as deebinaa jechuudha. Okay, concept inni dalagaa garuu cipher text nuti argannu karaa lameeniin adda addaa jechuudha. On encryption we get different cipher text. Okay, let us see one example. Let us use key for example, use column vector. Okay, as you know, cipher text is equals to key times plain text modulo 26. Okay, this is the formula. To encrypt a message, each block of n letter considered as an n component vector is multiplied by an invertible n times n matrix against modulo 26. Yeah, we will see this by example. By example, scenario carried on. Okay, what we mean? Example 1. Encrypt the message act. We are going to encrypt act. We are going to use the key also GYBNQKURP. This is the key. So first of all, what we have to do? We have to extract key from table. Okay, this is the table. A is 0, Z is 25. Okay, so G means what? The keys look like this when we put it. GYB NQK URP. Okay, so when we extract from the table, G is what? 6 and the Y is 24, as well as B is 1. Okay, so this will become like this. Okay, when we replace all by number. So this is our plain text. So we are using what? Key times plain text. As you see here, cipher text is equals to key times plain text. This is the key. This is plain text. Plain text was act. Okay, act ነው። አክትንም እንደዛው ሪፕሬዘንት እናደርጋለን ለኮሰ በከቡፍ ናያችሁ, which means 0 to 19. Since A is 0, C is what? 2 and 19 ነው ደግሞ ምን T ማለት ነው። Okay, so this is what when we calculate we get 67 22 339 እናገኛለን ስናባዛው ማለት ነው by that formula. When we divide this by modulo 20, when we divide this by modulo 26, we will get 50. Okay, so 50 means P, as you see. O means 14. Okay, 7 means H. So po. Now we encrypted toward what? Po. So our cipher text is what? Po. This is the way how to encrypt the whole cipher text. Okay. Simply ምንድነው የምናደርገው እዚህ ጋር ይህን ቁጥር ማባዛት ማለት ነው። ከዛ በኋላ ኮለሙን ከዛ መደመር for each ይሄን አባዝተን ስንደምር ስንት እናገኛለን? 67 ማለት ነው። which means 0 times 6 plus 2 times 24 plus 2 times 1 2 times 24 አሁን ለምሳሌ ስንት ነው? 48 48 ሲባዛ 19 ሲባዛ 1 19 ይሄ 48 ነው። 2 times 4 is 8 2 times 2 is 4 48 48 plus 19 ስንት ነው የሚመጣው? 48 እና 10 58 58 እና 9 67 ማለት ነው። ለምን ይሄኛው 0 ስለሚሆን ማለት ነው። እንጃታ የምትቆልፍ the same true for this also. Okay, خلاص قسمت ጊዜ ባይሳ ዲብኖ ከነን ዱፋ ጊዜ ሞጁል ወዳት ትጅጅርሞ 67 ሞድ 26 እቹን ጃታ የሚተርባ ሂሩ ሜጋፍ ደሚጃሃን ይችላል ለማኒው ደምኔው ሜጋ ዱፋ ሪሜንደር አማር ከናይች ኦኬ 26 ሲባዛ በ2 52 52 52 ነው የመጣው 26 ሲባዛ 2 50 67 ሲቀነስ 52 15 ይታያችሁ ጃታ ሜትር በሪሱ ሸንተሚ ፊ ላ ለሸኒ ነው አፋ አናፉ በኮለሽኒ ቡፋና ዚስ the way. Okay, next decryption ይላል ናመጋ ሐሙሱ መሐነ ደለጋ we encrypt act to po ወነ ጀራሚቲ so try to encrypt cat ACT daga askas mojra botma wal jijiri ለመንዲቡ try to encrypt cat. Okay, thank you.